Rain, rain, go away so I can get out from under the brolly. It's Tuesday the 13th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. Now, the UK labour market is a long way from the post-Covid boom. Granted, that couldn't exactly last back when employers were fueling wage inflation in their attempts to restart operations and be fully staffed. But vacancies are down to 729,000, which is down 44% from that 2022 peak. We have 5.1% unemployment, which is a 5-year high, and payrolls have shed 187,000 positions since Reeves rolled out her £25 billion tax grab from higher employers' national insurance and when she raised the minimum wage. Looking at the broader economy, stagflation is a growing concern at the moment. GDP is expected at 0.2% for November, but after 2 monthly dips of minus 0.1%, this is far from the kind of economic growth the government campaigned on. And it will say a lot about the leadership if Starmer and Reeves try to celebrate such anaemic growth, especially when inflation remains elevated and a long way from the 2% target. Over in the US, federal prosecutors have launched a criminal investigation into Powell's testimony to Congress over the £2.5 billion renovation of the Fed HQ in Washington. Market reaction saw stocks and the dollar head lower, while gold was helped even higher as a result of this. Powell's own reaction was to hit back for the first time, and his post was supported by his predecessor Janet Yellen and all the former Fed presidents. Well, those that are still alive anyway. They've all chipped in with their support as well. General sentiment remains that Trump will not be satisfied and won't relent for that matter until he has managed to place a mini-me over at the Fed. However, despite all the widespread speculation before the Christmas break, we must still wait and see who that appointment will ultimately be. In the market, the dollar index pulled back to about 98.65 on independence fears at the Fed, and we kick off this morning around 134.65 against the dollar, 115.50 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 116.60 on the open this morning. Well, that's it from me. Hopefully things dry up a little, and hopefully I'll be back on the air wheel tomorrow. Toodaloo.